Well, we are at the train station of Den Bosch in the Netherlands, and today I'm off to pick up my second new car for 2019. There was a possibility for me to buy the Model 3 Performance, Tesla, or the new BMW G20 plug-in hybrid. Well, as you can see, I arrived in Amsterdam. So will it be a Tesla or will it be a BMW? The car for me in the year 2020 is, yes, the BMW 330e. I think this is the car. It looks like a blue one.